Sharon.
And I don't feel like eating ever again.
Well, maybe you don't, but I think your stomach has a mind of its own. And if you decide to listen to it, I have a lentil casserole in the oven.
Really?
Says you don't know why you're a shopaholic, but somehow you are, and...
Can you move that sandwich? It's really getting on my nerves.
Hey, Spitz, you hungry?
Oh, no, thanks. I'm stuffed from breakfast. Thanks. I'm really not that hungry. Can you move?
Must finish article for online blog. Even though I feel like... Moody, sci-fi, angry.
Nope. Where did that dinosaur get the maple syrup from?
How did she know? Sweet! Jumbo Ninja hit in the head by... Okay, Louie, we're in.
Great. Now, once you find the clog, Turret can use the clog stopper to remove whatever's blocking the main pipe.
It's clog stomping time!
Turret and I will take the lead. Scoop, you cover the rear.
Covered? Why? Did you smell something? I mean, hear something? I mean, nothing. How you doing?
Nate, take your next left foot.
Trip. Yeah, thanks, Louie. We got it. Hey! Did you guys hear that?
Nope. It's probably just ducks. Quack! Yep, definitely ducks. Really big sewer ducks!
Listen, forget about what Turret said. We can handle this. Be brave.
That was my stomach.
Uh-oh, Ukapele?
No, just my belly wanting a snack.
All right.
Nice dance. Great job.
What's that? Monster?
No, silly. My stomach. Let's get a snack.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Is that a motorcycle? No, it's my stomach. I'm hungry.
It feels good to be good, right, T900?
It sure does, Poplinator.
Whew! Saving the universe has made me hungry. Yeah, we rode in a boat, waded through muck, had a campfire,
And saw a swamp creature. It was awesome.
Don't worry, it's just my stomach. Swamp creatures can get pretty hungry.
Ski Patrol to the rescue!
All that ski patrolling made me hungry.
Me too. It was awesome and amazing, and it made me feel scared. No.
Nervous?
No.
Hungry?
Yup, hungry.
You know, I never knew having a tea party could be so exciting and thrilling. And exciting and funny.
And exciting and fast. I did. Oh my.
Dave. What's that? You want ice cream? Ice cream?
Just hold on to the ladder, Dave.
Got it, Scatto. Whoa, whoa, watch your language. There. Fine.
Oh, well, I'm off nut bars anyway. Does thou want his ice cream?
You